All right, all in all, that is a wrap on the Yamaha R9 project here. So basically the whole premise behind this is to take a base Yamaha R9 and basically give it a essentially OEM plus. So that's what we try to do here at Motovation, is just take the motorcycle as it is and then just elevate it just a little bit. So whether it's doing the exhaust with the SC Project, the full system here, the SC1R, making sure that we're protecting the bike with the Evotech Performance parts, then addressing the ergonomics with the Bonamici Racing parts, and then finally just finishing it off with the finishing touches from Rizoma. So that is a wrap on this project, and yeah, now we just need to go put some miles on it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.